In this video, we will install SSH-KLM from scratch and complete the initial setup. The goal here is to show how quickly the platform can be bought online with the minimal prerequisite. Before starting, ensure MongoDB is running. SSH-KLM uses MongoDB as its primary data source, providing flexibility and scalability. The first step is bootstrapping the API. We start the API in Bootstrap mode. This is a one-time operation used to create the initial administrator account. During this setup, the platform initializes core collections and security configurations. Once the admin user is created, the Bootstrap process exits. Now we start the API in normal mode. As you see, the backend is running and ready to accept requests. And then we start the Angular as well. The frontend runs locally and proxies API requests securely to the backend. With both the service running, we can log in into the browser using the administrator credentials. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Before using the platform, we perform basic configuration. For example, setting up email notifications. This enables automated alerts and report delivery. At this point, the platform is fully operational. The entire installation and setup process takes only a few minutes and does not require complex configuration. In the next module, we will focus on the discovery agent system and how the SSH keys are automatically discovered across infrastructure.